recently had the opportunity to visit a new location just outside of Stanhope, New Jersey. It's called Waterloo Village Historic Site. It is a restored 19th century canal town. The town had all the necessary accommodations to meet the needs of a canal operation, including a general store, a church, a blacksmith shop, and a watermill. It was the perfect stopover point for the 2-day trip between Phillipsburg and Jersey City. Came here with the intent of doing some daytime live composite photography. I had checked the weather forecast and it looked like a perfect day to accomplish this. They were forecasting puffy, moving clouds, which is perfect for my plan. However, as you can see, when I arrived, the sky didn't have a single cloud anywhere. So I temporarily changed my objective and decided to work on some compositional options with the hopes those forecasted clouds would show up soon. My first stop was the United Methodist Church. I typically like to do an overall establishing shot and then look at different perspectives, and then look for even smaller vignettes as in this window shot. From here, I worked my way over to the blacksmith building. There's a small lock next to the building. I wanted to spend some time here to find a compelling composition. This proved to be a little more difficult than I thought. Here are several different compositional setups. This is the one I ended up liking the most. I then went over to the ruins of the towpath bridge from the Morris Canal leading up to the old inclined plane. This also proved to be very difficult. As you can see, I attempted to get my establishing shot. I was hoping to find a way that I could include the man-made dam in the foreground and the ruins in the same shot. After a couple of attempts, I decided the best result was from above and not including the water dam feature. From here, I went over to the grist mill. There was a small pond on the back side. The wind had calmed enough to allow me to incorporate a nice reflection, and as you can see, some of those long-awaited clouds started to show up. My patience paid off as the clouds started to create the scenes that I was hoping to capture. Here I'm using the OM System Live Composite feature with a 10-stop neutral density filter. I have my camera set on a tripod and I'm taking images that are averaging about 5 minutes apiece. I love the painterly effect it creates when incorporating this computational feature.